Good day everyone, my name is Edmond Langido. This is my piece, the title, Proud of Being Me. There were times when I compared myself to others and felt like I was good enough. I would see people who seemed smarter, more talented, or more confident than me, and we started to doubt myself. But as I grew older, I realized that everyone has their own journey. I learned that my value does depend on how others see me, but on how I see myself. I am proud to be me because I know that I try my best every day. I may make mistakes, but I also learn from them. I care for others. I work hard for my goals, and I never give up easily. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be a real and true to myself. Being proud to be me is about embracing my identity and living in my worth. I am proud of my past, grateful for my parents, and helpful for my future. No matter what challenge come my way, I will continue to stand tall and say, I am proud to be me.